Hi, welcome to Best Gadget. In this video we will show for you 5 best 4K dash cams. Number 5. Ventrue X4 UHD 4K dash cam. Why choose Ventrue X4 UHD 4K dash cam? Real 4K dash cam. The Dashcam records crisp videos up to a resolution of Ultra HD 3840x216op at 30 fps and 2560x144op at 60 fps during day and night. Perfect 4K Dashcam for cars, SUV, BMW, Honda, Jeep, Toyota, truck, semi-trucks, Toyota, Tesla, bus. 3-inch screen. It's more convenient for you to make camera setting changes or view video footage. Extreme temp protection. Equipped with a supercapacitor makes an internal power source more durable, especially in extreme weather. Large SD card support. The Ventrue X4 car camera supports up to 256 GB cards, which can store a significant amount of videos. Professional technical support. Perform regular firmware updates to ensure improved features and functionality for the highest quality. You can always improve the performance of the X4 and see the benefits of many new features with the latest firmware updates. Strict quality control and have a professional QC team, with CE, FCC and Rove certificated. Number 4. Rove Stealth 4K Pro. Experience the true 4K video quality with this 8MP CMOS sensor Ultra HD full 16:9 aspect ratio in 3840x2160p crystal clear video recording. This advanced car camera recorder is designed as a security camera for car and truck drivers. Stealth 4K Pro car camera. Dashcam can also support as Dashcam front and rear. It supports optional backup car camera. Dashcam front and rear. Search ASIN B07W11Q52S. Key features. True 4K 3840x2160p UHD video with super night vision. Multiple video resolutions to choose from. Time-lapse video. Built-in Wi-Fi. Built-in GPS. Built-in G sensor. Built-in speaker and microphone. Advanced H.265 and H.264 video compression technology. Screensaver with live speed, compass direction and time. Advanced distortion correction. Loop recording. 24-hour parking monitor. Motion detection. 160 degrees A+ ultra-wide angle lens. True gamut WDR. Wide dynamic range colors. Super night vision. Supports up to massive 512 GB micro SD card. Not included in packaging. Supports full HD 1080p rear camera as dual dash cam. Number 3. Viofo A1393 channels. If you're looking for a dependable 2-channel dashcam to protect your vehicle, your property and your loved ones, the Viofo A1392CH is the new offering in Viofo line of reliable and affordable video capture solutions. Capture the front with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens and the rear with an 170 degrees extra-wide lens for extended slight lines. The front camera includes the Sony STARVIS image sensor that records crystal clear footage at 2K, 1440p, resolution and 30 fps, while the secondary camera, full HD 1080p, is mounted at the rear of the vehicle. The A1392CH can utilize from 32 GB up to a 256 GB micro SD memory cards. Be sure to use a high-endurance type card, so you'll probably never have to worry about having enough room for footage. GPS is built into the unit, so your logging speed and position at all times. Hardwire or keep the unit constantly plugged into the 12 volts outlet to add parking mode into the mix to monitor any incident that may happen to your vehicle while you're away, for peace of mind 24/7. Have confidence in the reliability of the A1392CH supercapacitor power supply to provide a longer lifespan as well as a wider temperature range of operation. This new A1392CH features all the core performance and feature-rich functionality the Viofo brand is known for and checks all the boxes for your next dashcam. Number 2. Rexing V1P Pro. Full HD Dual Channel Recording. Front and rear cameras each record 1080p video at 30 fps. Wide dynamic range allows each camera to perform optimally in low light situations by carefully fine-tuning the exposure. 170-degree ultra-wide angle lenses on both cameras open up to capture sweeping views of their surroundings. Built-in GPS. Internal GPS logger allows you to mark time, date, location, and speed information to all your recordings without the need for a separate accessory. Wi-Fi Connect. View, save, and share Dashcam recordings wirelessly on your mobile device with the use of an app interface. Supercapacitor. Power is delivered by a supercapacitor, a premium alternative to a lithium-ion battery which features an enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. Secure recording. Recordings are split into segments. When the storage limit is reached on the memory card, new recordings will automatically overwrite oldest recordings. When the G sensor detects a collision, the current video is locked, ensuring important footage is kept protected. Supports Class 10 or higher microSD cards up to 256 GB in size. Number 1. BlackVue DR900X. Front cam. 8 megapixels sensor, 4K ultra high definition, 3840 x 2160 at 30 fps, view angle, 162 degrees. Rear cam. 2.1 megapixels STARVIS sensor, Full HD, 1920 x 1080 at 30 fps, view angle, 139 degrees. High efficiency video coding, HEVC, H.265, is the standard in 4K video broadcasting and streaming. With HEVC, you get great-looking 4K videos but same recording time as a regular Full HD dashcam. DR900X series can be hardwired to your vehicle's fuse panel for parking mode, without requiring optional accessories. The dashcam will switch to parking mode automatically when vehicle ignition is turned off. Voltage cutoff and timer can be set in the BlackVue app. Enjoy remote live view and push notifications to your phone. Backup important videos to the cloud remotely. Play and download videos from your dashcam's memory or the cloud from anywhere. The optional CM100 LTE connects to your compatible BlackVue X series dashcam to provide easy 4G LTE connectivity. All you need is a valid nano SIM card. The CM100 LTE connects via the USB port of your dashcam.